Onion, red cabbage, leek, orange pumpkin, purple eggplant, brown mushroom, red chili, yellow corn, red tomato, orange carrot, green broccoli. Hi friend, welcome to Pink and Blue ICU channel. Today we are going to learn the names of the vegetables. Vegetables are very healthy and tasty. We need to eat them every day. They make us strong and smart. Do you like vegetables? I'm sure you do. Alright, now let's jump into the video. Look at what I have here. Yes, it's a carrot. Carrots are in the color orange. I love putting them into soups, salads, or even make a carrot cake. Carrots are good for our eyes. They help us to see better. Look, we just cut it in half. How many pieces do I have now? 1, 2. You know, there is one animal that loves to eat carrots. Can you think who it is? Yes, you are right. It's a bunny. Our next vegetable is this. This is a broccoli. It's a funny looking vegetable. It has a stem and it looks like a tree. Broccoli is in the color green. It's really healthy and really tasty. Corn is a very tasty vegetable. You can boil it, fry it, but the best way is to grill it. I love the taste of the corn. How many pieces do I have right now? 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces of corn. Our next vegetable is this red one. It's called the tomato. Tomatoes have a lot of vitamin C and they are really tasty. You can eat them raw, on a salad, or even make sandwiches with them. How many pieces do I have now? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. All right. Do you know what kind of vegetable is this? It's a mushroom. Mushrooms is another great vegetable to keep you full for longer. It's great on pizzas and soups. I love putting on my pizza. It just tastes so good. Let's cut it in half. How many pieces do we have now? 1, 2. Okay, our next vegetable is chili. Chili is in the color red. It gives a little kick of heat to the soups and it helps with the headache. But you gotta be careful. This one burns a lot if you eat a lot of it. So you have to eat just a little bit just so you can taste it. We have 2 pieces of chili. Eggplant. Eggplant is another great vegetable. It's very healthy and very tasty. You can make soups with it. You can fry it. Eggplant is in the color purple. We have 2 pieces of eggplants. Okay, our next vegetable is this one. I'm sure you love this one because in Halloween time you can decorate with it. You put it on porches, you put it inside the house. You can even make funny faces on there or eat it. Pumpkin has a lot of vitamin A and C. We have 1 and 2 pieces of pumpkin. This is leek. Leeks are very good for our eyes and make our bones stronger because they have a lot of vitamin K. Let's cut it together. How many pieces do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces of leek. Next up, we have this purple cabbage. Purple cabbage is very good for our bones and our heart. We have 2 pieces of cabbage. And our last vegetable is this one. This one makes us cry a lot when we cut it. But actually, it's a very good vegetable. It's good for our eyes. It helps prevent a cold. It's very good on soups. I just love it so much. We have 1 and 2 pieces of onion, red onion. So here we have it, friends. We just learned some vegetables, the benefits that they have. Now you know that we should eat them every single day because they are very, very healthy. Onion, red cabbage, leek, orange pumpkin, purple eggplant, brown mushroom, red chili, yellow corn, red tomato, orange carrot, and green broccoli. Thank you so much for joining me today, friends. I hope you had fun as much as I did. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Grown-ups, support our channel by subscribing here on YouTube. This is the way to let us know that you enjoy watching our videos. Please like and share so others can join here too. Thank you.